Welcome to my honest review of Thera-LINK, a telehealth platform specifically designed for mental health professionals to facilitate online therapy sessions. Today, I'll guide you through the user experience, highlighting its main features, functionality, and whether it's the right choice for your practice. Starting with its interface, Thera-LINK boasts a user-friendly dashboard that simplifies scheduling, video calls, and client management. The clean, organized layout ensures therapists can easily access client records, session notes, and billing tools without navigating through complex menus. Point one of Thera-LINK's standout features is its secure video conferencing. The platform ensures all video calls are HIPAA-compliant, providing both clients and therapists peace of mind about confidentiality. The video quality is excellent, and the platform performs consistently well, even with slower internet speeds. Integrated chat and file sharing options during sessions enhance communication, making it easy to send worksheets, consent forms, or homework in real time. Thera-LINK also offers seamless appointment scheduling. Clients can book, reschedule, or cancel sessions via an intuitive client portal. Automated reminders reduce no-shows, and therapists can manage their calendar with drag-and-drop ease. The billing system supports secure online payments, offering options for credit cards and insurance claims, which is a huge time saver for busy practitioners. For those running group therapy sessions, Thera-LINK supports multi-participant video calls. The platform is designed to accommodate both one-on-one and group settings, making it versatile for various therapy types. It also includes customizable waiting rooms where therapists can display welcome messages or resources for clients to read before their sessions begin. Another great feature is the customizable branding. Therapists can personalize their portal with their logo, colors, and branding, giving clients a cohesive experience that aligns with their practice's image. For tech support, Thera-LINK offers live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base, ensuring users can resolve issues quickly. Pricing is straightforward, with tiered plans to suit individual practitioners or larger practices. Thera-LINK also provides a free trial, so you can test out its features before committing to a subscription. While it might not be the cheapest telehealth solution, its specialized tools and reliability justify the cost for many mental health professionals. Overall, Thera-LINK excels as a telehealth platform tailored for therapy sessions. It combines robust security, practical tools, and a smooth user experience, making it an excellent choice for mental health providers aiming to transition or enhance their online practice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of telehealth tools and software. See you in the next video.